could at the end of the old semester or the beginning of the even semester of 20 and 22, education implementers, school managers, and especially teachers are instructed by the implementation of new curriculum, namely the prototype curriculum, although according to Dr. Supangat in this book in detail 20 and 22 curriculum, knowing the prototype curriculum for schools and teachers. 20 and 21, this prototype curriculum was prepared several years ago to be implemented in the driving school program. Basically, the prototype curriculum is a new paradigm of curriculum in Indonesia which is in line with the independent learning program. This curriculum focuses on student learning, which is implemented in a limited and gradual manner throughout the driving school program, currently being run by the government. Although now the prototype curriculum is still an option that can be taken by every educational unit, but in the end, the prototype curriculum will be applied to every educational unit throughout Indonesia. Therefore, each educational unit shall have started to prepare for the implementation of this prototype curriculum in their respective educational unit, so it can be shaped. The positive impact of implementing this prototype curriculum is learning that does not only rely on the target material, but project-based learning with an emphasis on more essential material. In my opinion, the 20 and 22 free learning curriculum can answer the times. Minister of Education and Culture assessed that the independent learning was able to encourage teachers to be creative and innovative so that the teaching and learning process was easy and smooth. In addition, the curriculum is considered flexible and usually adapted by teachers according to the abilities possessed by students. Of the independent learning curriculum is to explore the greatest potential of teachers and students to innovate and improve the quality of learning independently. The independent learning policy provides independence for educational units to innovate in accordance with culture, local wisdom, socioeconomic, and existing infrastructure. However, teachers cannot be replaced by technology because technology is a tool for teachers to increase their potential. In addition, technology can also fuel students' motivation and interest in learning. I hereby support the Canvas program, which has been established by the